What's my address on Instagram? It's that vegan teacher, Miss Katie. No dots, no underscores, just like that. That vegan teacher, Miss Katie. There are vegan animal rights activists all around the world, and everyone is unique and different. This is a video created by someone named Menk. He's a Portuguese man, and he's very creative. Here he's reminding us that we don't need to eat bacon and we don't need to hurt 6-month-old baby pigs. We don't need to put them in gas chambers. We can choose kindness because saying we love animals is easy, but showing it, well, that's different. That takes courage, but showing it is what counts. That's his message in this very short video. His Instagram account, though, consists of many, many creative videos. Today we're going to look at one together. Hello students! Welcome to class. I'm Miss Katie, that vegan teacher. Don't be a pain in the ass. Be kind and be vegan from now on. Let's watch together a really cool channel called Menk. It's spelled M-E-N-K-A-Y and it's .ig for Instagram. He writes here, let's make a bet.
Quebec. I've been vegan for 10 years, but I decided to have a big fat juicy steak if
No!
somebody finally proves to me that we are real meat eaters.
Oh no, we are definitely not real meat eaters. We don't have big claws, we don't have sharp fangs, our intestines are very long to be able to digest plants and not animals. Plus, we could never catch a kind of animal. Can you picture yourself trying to run after and catch a squirrel or I don't know, any other animals in the wild? We're not meant to. The only reason that we have meat available is because we've trapped animals. We're not real meat eaters. We're not meant to eat them. Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
You know, like these guys.
Poor zebra.
So here's what you gotta do. Find a roadkill and eat it like a real meat eater. The rules are simple. No knives, no forks, no fire.
No knives and no forks. Could you eat an animal with no knives and no forks and no fire? Not allowed to cook.
No cooking.
Lions don't cook.
No seasoning.
No seasoning, no oil, no pepper. What's this? Another kind of spice, no salt. No barbecue sauce allowed.
Oh, and you can't be picky because real meat eaters eat everything.
Oh my
The
goodness, the eyes. Can you imagine eating the eyes of a cow?
The guts,
Or the guts, the intestines, where all the shit is. That's what the lions eat. They eat all of it.
brain, the genitals.
Brain, a penis, the vagina, the uterus. Would you eat all of these body parts?
And every single inner organ down to the bone. Anyway,
I couldn't do it. I could never eat an animal. Not anymore now that I know how much they suffer, and definitely even before when I used to eat animals, I could never go ahead and eat an animal that was lying dead on the side of the road. Could you? If aliens came to Earth and really wanted to eat you, would you say, no problem, and let them take a bite out of your mom and dad too? If you wouldn't want aliens to hurt you, then leave the animals alone. Don't eat them, don't wear them, don't use them, or take over their home. Leave the animals the fuck alone. When you see an animal on the side of the road, is it your instinct to run up to them and take a bite out of them? Do you salivate? No. Most people are either grossed out or really sad and thinking about the poor animals who are just innocently trying to cross the highway. And they don't even want to hurt anyone. And they get killed by us.
until someone meets this challenge, I'll be right here, waiting. Oh. An apple.
All right. Good job, Menk. Isn't he amazing?
Let's make a bet.
Let's
I've
make
been
a
vegan
bet.
for 10 years, But
he has been vegan for 10 years. How long have you guys been vegan, you guys who are watching and are vegan? And the rest of you, if you are there right now and you don't have any food in your mouth, why not make this your vegan declaration day? Be vegan from now on.
Be fucking vegan.
Be like Joe
Be fucking
Bartolozzi.
vegan.
Tap into your empathy.
Be fucking vegan.
Come on and sing the
Be
song.
fucking vegan.
And Google watch
Be
vegan.com.
fucking vegan.
You can absolutely do it. Simply don't put any other animal products in your body. You don't need to drink cow's milk. You're not a baby cow. You don't need to eat eggs, the period of some other species.
The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs. Walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today.
Imagine if I suddenly, out of my uterus came a big egg that looked exactly like a chicken egg. Would you eat it? Of course not. You'd be like, what the hell? But you eat eggs that come out of someone else's butt. It's so ridiculous. Would you drink dog's milk? I don't think so. What about cat milk? I don't think so. So why do you drink cow's milk? Doesn't make any sense.
I decided to have a big fat juicy steak if somebody finally proves to me that we are real meat eaters.
We're not real meat eaters.
Like these guys.
Lions are obligate carnivores.
So here's what you...
They have to eat animals. We don't. We can survive as vegans. We have been doing this for years and years. He's been vegan for 10 years. Does he look unhealthy to you? No.
gotta do. Find a roadkill and eat it like a real meat eater. The
Poor
rules are
little
simple.
dear.
No knives, no forks, no fire, no cooking, no seasoning.
All seasonings, by the way, are vegan. Think about it. Salt, pepper, all kinds of spices, oregano, basil, garlic, onion powder, all vegan. It's the vegan foods that make the meat taste good. So why not just have actual vegan foods? Tofu. So many different ways to cook it. Just Google it.
Tofu scramble, tofu scramble. It's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century. Nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan. Add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo. Mix in some vegan mayo. Now mix in a salty pickle. Yeah, that's the way to go. Oh, ooh. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do. Woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too.
Pastas, so many different shapes. Nuts, all kinds of nuts are vegan. Hazelnuts, walnuts, peanuts, pistachios, macadamia nuts, so many. You know, there's so many different kinds of rice that you can buy also. And oatmeal is vegan, raisins to put on top are vegan, bananas on top, chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. So many delicious vegan foods.
Oh, and you can't be picky, because real meat eaters eat everything. The eyes, the guts, the brain, the genitals, and every single inner organ down to the bone. Anyway, until someone meets this challenge, I'll be right here, waiting. Oh,
An apple.
an apple.
Way to go, Menk. What an amazing animal
Let's
rights
make a bet.
activist. I hope you follow him. And if you do write in his comment section, tell him that vegan teacher says hello. I really respect him a lot. He's extremely creative.
Veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds, put in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so be vegan and open up your heart.
If you haven't yet done so, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And in the comment section, tell me why you're vegan if you are vegan. Write down the reasons, because a lot of people read the comment section, and if you're vegan, you're going to be helping to teach others. Also, if people see that you're a vegan comment, other vegans will be able to follow you. So thank you everybody who is in the comment section positively teaching others. I really appreciate you so much. Here's a hug for all of you who are trying so hard to be as vegan as possible in this vegan-phobic world. I admire you, I respect you, and I love you. See you all in the next video. Bye for now, guys.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her say